Let me talk to you for a second. You're a student. Your alarm rings, you snooze it. You plan to study, but end up scrolling. And at night, you promise yourself, tomorrow I'll wake up early. Tomorrow never comes. You've seen those videos. Wake up at 5 a.m. and your life will change. But you're tired, burnt out. And you wonder, is this 5 a.m. thing even for students? So I tested it. Honestly, no fake motivation, just real life. Before this, my routine was a mess. Late nights, zero focus, constant guilt. I wasn't lazy, I was overwhelmed. That's important to understand. Most students don't fail because they lack motivation. They fail because they lack structure. By night, your brain is exhausted. Science calls it decision fatigue. That's why studying at night feels impossible. So I tried waking up at 5 a.m. The first few days were painful. My body hated it. My mind begged me to sleep more. But something interesting happened. The world was quiet. No messages, no pressure. Just me and my time. That alone felt powerful. But here's the truth. Waking up early doesn't change anything unless you use that time right. So this is what I did. No phone for the first 30 minutes, because your brain is fresh in the morning. One scroll can destroy that focus. Then I studied for just 45 minutes, not the whole syllabus, just one small task. And that small win changed my whole day. Psychology says progress creates motivation, not the other way around. When you make progress early, your brain feels safe, less stress, less anxiety, better focus. My afternoons felt lighter. I listened better in class. I procrastinated less. Not because I became disciplined overnight, but because I wasn't behind anymore. Now let me tell you the real secret. The 5 a.m. routine is decided at night. If you sleep at 1 or 2 a.m., waking up at 5 is self-destruction, not discipline. I fixed my evenings first. Same sleep time, phone away before bed, tomorrow's one task written down. Your brain loves predictability. Now here's the honest answer. You don't need to wake up at 5 a.m. You need to wake up before your distractions. For some students, that's 5 a.m. For others, it's 6 or 6:30. The goal isn't early waking. The goal is control. And listen to me carefully. You're not lazy. You're not weak. You're just tired of starting over. And you deserve a routine that works for your life. So, is the 5 a.m. club worth it for students? Yes, if you do it smart. No, if you force it blindly. Start small. Protect your sleep. Win the first hour of your day. Small habits create big change. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for honest self-improvement for students, and share it with someone who needs this today.